Dance. Dance.
My baby.
No.
Comment below if she cute. But if y'all got like baby cousin that's 3 years old and they like her because she cute.
Isaac.
And I think I look with her. Alright, so let's go. Let's get right into the video. Where my water bottle?
Now you gotta start dancing. You gotta start dancing. Isaac.
And my camera gonna be like right here. Just let me know if y'all can see over there. Y'all can see. I'm gonna show this. She gonna be right there. We gonna give her a piece of it's gonna be a candy wrapper. There's gonna be a cough drop wrapped up in it, and then we gonna give it to her, and she gonna think it's candy. So yeah, guys, let's get started. Alright, so y'all can see us, right? But y'all can't see us right here because we're in the dark. Alright, so let's go. Let's get right to the video. Alright, we're gonna be Bradley, you want a piece of candy, and we're gonna be here, eat this piece of candy. Hold on, maybe I should put mine behind yours. Like right here. Something. Yeah. Right here. Alright, so let's go.
I can't believe this shirt is real good. Look. Hey, Bradley. She wasn't even focused on Bradley. Alright, go ahead. Do it again. Come right back here. Oh, y'all still doing it? Yeah. Let me look. Bradley, you want a piece of candy? Isaac, wait, not yet. Hold up.
Let's put my camera right there. Y'all can see exactly. Hold on.
No, you ready? Chop, you ready?
Hold up. Not yet. I get my camera set up. Alright, so guys, there it go. Alright, so y'all can see better with his camera than y'all can see with my camera. Alright, that's good. Oh. Alright, watch. Alright, hold up, I gotta be in the first part. What's up, Nana? What's up, guys? We're back here with another video. So we gotta hurry up. We about to do a prank on our baby cousin. She right. Our baby cousin right here. Where she go? She right there. One with the one that's in front with the white T-shirt. Yeah. All right, so let's go. We gotta tell them what prank we do. So the prank we do first. Let's go. Go. We coming. But still, it don't matter. She can know what the camera is. She only looked at y'all. She only looked at me. Ooh, y'all. Alright, so let me see. We gotta have her where she at. We gotta have her where my grandmother at. Because it's not gonna see it. Hold up. Let me see if they can see it right here. Oh, put it right there. Put it right there. No. There we go. Alright, there we go. Alright, so y'all, we got my camera set up right here. Let's go. Gang. His camera right there. The prank we doing, we got a cough drop. Piece of candy. It's the cough drop. It's a honey. It's a honey cough drop. It's a honey. We got a wrapper. It's a honey haul. Honey haul. Okay, let's go. Hold up. We got a
Come on.
what is it called? A candy wrapper. And we're gonna put the cough drop in it. We're gonna give her the cough drop. So yeah, let's go.
Bradley, you want a piece of candy?
Yeah, let's go.
No.
She shouldn't have no hard candy like that. Where is it at?
It's a prank, and she eating a cough drop.
She's not supposed to have hard candy like that. She's not supposed to have.
It was good great, and it was gonna taste real nasty to her. She don't like stuff like this, so
No.
it's nasty, girl. Say it's nasty.
It's nasty.
Hey, bro, she crazy though. That was a Thank you for watching. Peace. subscribe,
You know you supposed to put your belly on my stomach. Come
Go
on,
to
give me your hand.
thumbs up, and share with your family. Share with family and friends. And catch you next time on a vlog or a prank. So yeah. See you guys. Deuces.